Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Rv2.pro free Robux scam. So as you can see, we have it here on malwaretips.com, and if you haven't noticed the trend, there are a lot of sites like these that claim to offer or give you free Robux. So sites like these are 99.999% a scam, so never ever trust sites like these that offer free Robux. So as you can see right here, they go over how the Rv2.pro Robux scam works. So number one is advertising the free Robux, which is all the same. Prompting users to input the username, which is the same process as other scam sites. And taking users through verification, which is the same as all sites. So please do not use or enter in your information in these websites, since your data might be stolen and your information might be stolen, and they could very well sell that data to other shady companies or shady people, and will get you in serious trouble. So please do not use this website. Do not enter your information, since you're not getting the Robux, you're just being scammed. And that's basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.